In this video, what I'm going to do is go over these NORTIV 8 kind of tactical boots, and these are in the dark brown, and these are the zipper style tactical boots. Let me show you what I mean by this, because I've already had these out and kind of put them on and warm around. Number one, these are paper light. These are almost like you're not wearing anything in your foot. They are super, super light for a tactical boot. I love boots with the side zipper, so I don't have to untie them and retie them each time. You could slide them in and out with just slide your foot in and out with just using the zipper. And let me just kind of like untie them and show you what you're working with here. So looking over the top, they are waterproof up to about right there, and they actually have a good kind of toe bump on them. They have these lugs on here for grip, whether it's like in, you know, mud or climbing or anything like that. The back of the heel is made where it kind of rolls off a little bit. There's a TPU shank in the middle, so you can see how there's no flex point that past that point right here. I like how they did this pull up right here. Look at how they did this kind of back pull up right there. That's interesting, so that way it doesn't wear on the back of your Achilles right there. And the insole is like a thick insole in the middle right there that has these little breathable holes in it. Very nice on the insole there. And looking down in there, you could see how it's kind of stitched around the outside. I put these on, I kind of walked around, jumped around, stepped on some rocks and a bunch of random different stuff. I don't see any issues at all with these. I think this is a great option for anyone that just needs a light duty tactical boot that can kind of do it all, that basically doesn't show dirt too. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the NORTIV 8, you know, tactical boots with zipper. See y'all in the next video.